Hello everyone, this is Wilson with Budget Manager created by ExcelPass. In this video I will show you how to create one variable expense, one fixed income and one forecast expense. First, let's go to our module Enter, choose our budget. We're going to choose the category food and then grocery 1. We'll choose the date, for example today, and then we'll write the amount 45, and here we have the option to assign this value to a bank account, but in this case we will not do it, so we just click on next and the data has been entered. Now our second example, we're going to enter one fixed income, and as you can see the application changed the category name. Now the store, we can enter all the income to a general store named income, but we can create another one. So we go here to our module create, we choose income and we're going to name the store salary 1. Let's go back to our module enter. It's going to be a fixed income, so we choose fixed, and as you can see now we need to choose the frequency. The last 4 frequencies are defined, for example monthly, annual, weekly. However, the first one, unique date, will let us enter values into several unique dates. For example, if I have one income in January and then one in April and then another one in June, I can use unique date to enter those values. For this example, let's choose monthly. Then we need to choose the dates from January 1st to the end of the year. We enter the value, it's going to be 2000, and we click on next. That's it, the data has been entered. And the last example is going to be a forecast. We're going to choose food and we're going to click on forecast. The application tells us that there is no forecast for this category, so if we want to create one, we just click on yes. This is a very important message. All the forecasts are going to be created with the prefix for. We click OK, and then we just need to select the store that has been created. For food, that means the forecast for the category food. Now we need to choose the frequency, and it's going to be weekly from January 1st to the end of the year. And it will be 200. We click on next and the data has been entered. So we finished this video. Now you can create any kind of expense or income. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.